Meaning of 5 and 10.
5 and 10.
5 and 10.
5 and 10.
5 and 10. 5 and 10 is an old-fashioned retail slang term that refers to stores selling items at 5 or 10 cents. During the early 20th century, these stores were popular in the United States and Canada, often located in downtown areas. They typically sold a variety of inexpensive household goods, toys, and snacks. Today, these types of stores are much less common, replaced by discount retailers and online shopping. However, the term 5 and 10 remains a nostalgic reminder of a bygone era of shopping.